stop. What do you want people to know?
Get out of my face. I don't want to talk to y'all.
Why don't you do it live so y'all can hear the real truth? Y'all nothing but a bunch of liars.
Well, tell us the truth then.
Leonard Mattingly and other family members walked out of the federal courtroom with a lot of emotion. They were there to listen to his son, Chris Mattingly's wiretap case. At issue is whether the wiretap was legally authorized or not. Investigators say Chris Mattingly is the head of a drug cell in Kentucky with ties to a Mexican drug cartel.
Your son is behind bars. Is he?
For no reason.
He's not involved in a major drug trafficking?
Jealousy. That's why he's behind bars. A bunch of lying people.
In court, Chris Mattingly's attorneys want the wiretaps that were authorized in Riverside, California to be thrown out. The prosecutor now wants to use just one wiretap out of 5 that are part of the case. Brian Butler, Mattingly's attorney, argues that Riverside had 624 wiretap applications in 2014, and none of them were signed by the district attorney, but instead someone else in the office.
Are you involved in this drug ring that they say you are? Can you comment?
Ronald Shoemaker walked out of the courtroom and didn't say a word. Investigators accuse him of being a drug money courier for Mattingly. His attorney, along with attorneys for co-defendants Eddie Whitfield and James Howard, have filed motions to join Mattingly's wiretap case.
It's my opinion that the wiretap is inappropriate and does not satisfy federal law.
Whitfield was a caretaker of a Breckenridge County farm where Mattingly allegedly raised and sold chickens.
Well, really surprised in this case that he was charged at all.
And how did he know Chris Mattingly?
He's known Chris for quite some time. They've done a lot of work together, managing a farm together, but is in no way been associated with anybody involved in any kind of wrongdoing, especially any kind of drug conspiracy.
Is he guilty of what he's accused of? Is it a misunderstanding?
It's a misunderstanding.
The judge says both sides will have 10 days to issue a response. At the federal courthouse, Valerie Chin, WDRB News.